Hi, my name is Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some Christmas crafts that you can make that I made in 2023. They are very easy and cute. The first craft that I made is this beautiful Christmas tree ornament. You can use felt fabric to make it, and you can alternate the colors red, yellow, white and green. It's up to you. And you can put a ribbon here, and then so that you can put it on your tree. It's a very beautiful ornament, and you can decorate it as you like. As you can see, I put some beads here and it's very beautiful. And the next one is this beautiful ornament for your tree as well. I don't know what you can call this one, but as you can see, you can use red fabric. You can use a cotton fabric here, and this is felt fabric. You can draw this and you can make it. And then you also need a loop for hanging on your tree or around your house. This is my favorite ornament. It's very beautiful. Okay, the next ornament that I want to show you is this star. You can also make it using felt fabric. What you do is you draw a star on a paper and then you transfer it on your fabric, and then you hand sew here like this so that it looks very cute. You don't have to use the red thread. You can use white thread so that it can show. And then these are some of the decorations that I put here. You can find all of these decorations in dollar stores. If you are in Japan, you can find in dollar stores. And you also need to put this ribbon for hanging, and then you can decorate your tree or you can decorate your house. It's also very beautiful and very easy to make. Okay, here's the next one. Here's another one. So this one you can make it using cotton fabric. So you can make these triangles and then put it on the circle. I will link how to make this one, the long video of how to make this one here. So this one requires a little bit of your time, but it's very beautiful, and you also need a hanging loop so that you can hang it around your house. It's so unique. I love this one. It's very beautiful. The next one is this one. Ooh, this one is my favorite. This is a lollipop, but you are using fabric. You can use cotton fabric, and you can just cut some circles, and then you can loose stitch and pull. I also link how to make this ornament, this lollipop ornament, here or here, I'm not so sure. And you can also put a ribbon to decorate it, and you can put some pre-made ribbons like these ones. You can find these in dollar stores. And you also need to put a loop, and then you can put it on your Christmas tree. This is my favorite. It's very cute. So cute. Lollipop. And the next one is the candy cane. This one is so nice. It was fun making it. I also link the video, the full video of how to make it here. So you can also use cotton fabric, but you need a striped fabric. It's very beautiful, so you can decorate it using some ribbons and other decorations of your choice. And you also need a loop so that you can hang it on your tree. It's very beautiful and it's looking Christmassy. It's looking Christmassy. Christmassy. And the next one is in the candy family. The next one is in the candy family. So this is very easy and I had so much fun making it. So you need a striped fabric, cotton fabric, and you can put a cardboard box inside and then you can just sew here. Very easy. It's very easy. And then you need a loop for hanging. So cute. Look, so cute. Okay, the last one that I made this year for Christmas is this one. It's so beautiful. I made this in less than 3 minutes. So all you need is a circle and then you can make it very easily. I'll also link a video here or here on how to make it. And you need this one for hanging. It's so beautiful. It's giving. It's so cute. It's so cute. Merry Christmas. And this is the last one for this year, guys. So see you next time. Merry Christmas, everyone. I love you. Merry Christmas. I love you. Today I'm going to show you